Southwick again has bit Joe Shimoda with that crash right there with 9 minutes to go in qualifying still. And the sad post from Honda on their Instagram saying, quote, Joe Shimoda is out indefinitely with a fractured collarbone and mild concussion following a qualifying crash at Southwick. So there is his year probably done. I mean, at least any sort of championship contention or points gains are out. Coming out of this, I mean, obviously with a did not start is going to be a massive change in the points. As of right now, he's third place with 194 behind Levi Kitchen at 225 and Cole Davies in first now at 227. And you gotta say, I mean, the collarbone, obviously we have seen people like Cody Shock break it, come back the next week and race. But with how they deal with head injuries, and if they're coming out and saying he has a concussion, whether it's mild or not, like I'm assuming that's going to be the sticking factor. And you can see there in the top, he just kind of comes over, must caught something on the front rim or something. Who knows? I mean, obviously, I think it's the only video side I could see, or video footage I could see of it. But it sucks, right? I mean, especially in qualifying. This isn't in a race for a championship or anything like that. It's running around, hot lapping, and you do one little thing, catch one little rut, hit the brake too hard, wash the front, whatever it was, and boom, there down you go. Broken collarbone and concussion and out indefinitely. I mean, obviously, who knows? He could be back next week if it's a mild one, depending on how they can stabilize that shoulder. But obviously, I mean, this is the same thing. He crashed last year at Southwick. He crashed this year. Seems to be a track that is not friendly for him, or to him, I guess would be a better way of saying it. And I mean, he's been building. He's been looking really good round after round, looking competitive. And just now, it's one of those sad things, right? I mean, from my perspective, from the outside, right? You never want to see anybody get injured, or you really shouldn't, right? No matter who you are, whether you're a fan of somebody or not, there's no reason that you should hope for somebody to get hurt. But I mean, you want the most people racing all the time creates the best championship races. You want, parity in the winners and the overalls and the podiums every week, making a nice tight championship contention. But I mean, just sucks. You never want to see anybody get hurt, and something like this where it's just doing so well, building, looking competitive, looking, good again, and then just an injury taking him out. But hopefully, knock on wood, this isn't going to be a long recovery. We can see him back soon. Who knows when that would be? I mean, obviously there is what we have next: Southwick today, Spring Creek the 18th, Washougal, Unadilla, Budds Creek, Ironman. Still have 4 rounds after next week if he misses that one. I guess we'll see what timing he ends up, or what time we end up seeing him out for. But just want to leave you guys, comment down below, tell me what you think. Did you like Southwick? Did you go? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.